Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to change your password in the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Keeping your account secure is very important, and changing your password regularly helps protect your personal information. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. After that, click on Accounts Center to manage your profiles. Next, select Password and Security. Then, tap on Change Password to start updating your password. After that, click on your profile name. Now enter your current password in the required field. Next, type in a new password that is strong and secure. Then, confirm the new password by entering it again. Finally, tap on Change Password to save your new password. Your Facebook Lite password has now been updated successfully. Thank you for watching this tutorial.